Welcome to Easy Rider. I'm out here in my yard. Thought I'd do the shout outs out here, walking around. Bring Kimber out here with me. I don't know how I'm going to do this, but there's one. I'm going to do Sunday shout outs out here since I can't ride. So if you like my videos, please like, subscribe, share with your friends and family and anybody else that you care to share with. I'd appreciate it. And make sure you give me that big thumbs up on the like. That's very important to YouTube. And if you can't finish watching my video, when you watched as much as you're going to, just go down the bottom of that slider and slide it all the way over to the right. For some reason, if you just leave or turn off the browser, YouTube doesn't like that, and they punish us. So if you do that for me, I'd appreciate it. Thank you.
All right, let's go.
Well, we're out here in my yard, like I said. Little Kimber down there. So we're going to do Sunday shout-outs. First one is to Rolling Stone. He's in East Tennessee. He rides a Harley-Davidson Ultra Classic. He does product reviews and drone videos. Lots of Kimber, come back over here. Lots of beautiful scenery there in East Tennessee. And Ken's Maple Leaf Forge and stuff. Kimber, get back here. She's wandering off to the neighbors. He rides a Suzuki DL 650 XTV Strom, and he has an ATV. He does drone videos. He's in Canada. He does gardening and he does a lot of outings and some ASMR videos. I can't tell you what the ASMR means, but it's just listening to certain sounds like running water, and how relaxing that is. Got a lot of rocks here in my yard, as you can see. A lot of big old rocks. Wild, wild trees. I probably shouldn't be walking through here lest I lose my footing and fall down on this broken collarbone, but I want to I don't want to just sit in my chair and tell you these things. Make it a little more interesting to look at. Okay, and then I'm going to shout out Digger's Den Tyson and Tyson's Fury. Digger's Den Tyson's Fury. He does metal detecting. He's a history hunter in the UK. He goes to these interesting sites. Sometimes it's like a muddy field. Other times it's all kinds of stones and things. Anyway, he finds old coins, old toys, old buttons, things from a long time ago. Very interesting. Kimber, what are you doing down there, huh? Now we'll walk on along back here, get these oak trees here. All gnarly. Scrub oaks, live oaks, whatever. This one's got some sort of parasite in it. Some sort of parasite made that limb all bumped up like that. And these things grow on. Maybe this is mistletoe. I don't know for sure. And I got this drainage area back here with this makeshift bridge that they put in. It's always getting clogged up with pine needles and stuff in there. But we did have a really powerful storm a little while ago, and it washed it out, cleaned it out good for me. Big old tall pine tree, more scrub oaks. My utility boxes here for the phone and the cable, but I don't have cable anymore. Well, I don't have cable TV anymore. What I don't have is regular telephone. It's voice over IP now, but it comes in here. This is the old phone company stuff. Now I want to shout out to Forever on Wheels. He's in Brazil. I don't know what kind of bike he rides. I haven't been able to see enough of it to tell, and if he told me or said so in his video what his bikes was, I don't really understand, because they speak Portuguese in in Brazil, and his narrations are Portuguese. But he rides the mountains. They just really beautiful mountains. There's one of my wife's decorations there. And she's got a turtle, a couple of frogs, a birdie. It's just beautiful, the mountains and these fields that he rides by and through. And the all of the scenery is really, really nice. He rides through small towns, big towns. He's got a really, he calls it the most dangerous road. Oh man, it was lots of twisties on a mountain, and not all of it was paved. And then he goes through some vineyards. Really interesting. And he subscribed to me a while back. He found me, and he's there all the time looking at my videos, so I watch his even though I don't understand the Portuguese. And last but not least, we have Iran Heen. I'm not sure how you pronounce that. She's in the Philippines. She does singing and gardening. She watches all my videos and comments on every one. So I have to give her a shout out. But you might enjoy watching her too. She says I'm her favorite motorbike rider. So that's kind of cool. But that will conclude the shout outs for this Sunday's shout outs. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoy the new channels. I'm doing pretty good. You can see I'm still in the sling, but I'm not in much pain or anything, so everything's cool. So I hope everybody has a great Sunday, and thanks for watching. Don't miss the next exciting adventure.